your CAC application is stuck on query and you do not fix this, your registration may never be approved. In the next few minutes, I will be showing you exactly how to solve your query. Because most people make this mistake when solving CAC query, and that is why their application keeps getting rejected. Watch this before you try again. Let's go. So I will be using this particular client's work for the query video. This particular work was queried immediately I click on the proceed button, which is why I'm making this video for anyone out there who come across something like this, for you to know how you can go about it. Make sure you watch to the end and don't forget to like this video. Let's proceed. What caused this particular query is the ID I used, because the ID that she sent to me was not a straight NIN ID. Yes, so let me see what our query is all about. Now, this video is going to tell you how you can check your query. Yes, for the registration that I just submitted now, on getting back, you see instantly they just sent me queried. So let's go together and see what really happened. So just go ahead and click on that action button at the front of the business name that you register. You can see the business name we registered is here. Click on the action and it's going to show you every details. You have modify application, view application, mark as resolved. That is if you have resolved the query they gave to you. Then view query history. Here now, this view query history is what you are going to click on for you to know what they query you for. So you click on it and it will take you here. You know, I said it. So that is it. So what we need to do now is to go and resolve the query that was given to us, which is the ID. You can see what they wrote there. Means of identification is invalid. So we need to resolve it as quick as possible. Now, how do you resolve it? That is the next question. Close this spot. How do you resolve the query? Because how can I see what I have to upload again? Yes, it's simple. I will show you that right now. All you need to do is to come back to this place and click on this action. Then you click on view application. From your application, you will gain access back to this place. So here now, means of ID is down here. You click on view it for you to see. Yeah, this is the ID that I used, so it was not acceptable. Now we need to change it. So once you have seen the query you had and you have seen what you are queried for, the next question is, how do I change this application? Now just close this spot, then you come back to still that same action area, click on it again, and you move to modify application. From there you'll be able to upload another thing. I hope you can see it. So it will take you back to the beginning. Just continue by clicking save and continue. Just click on save and continue till it take you back to this place where you will now re-upload that particular thing again. So all you need to do is to click on this place where you have that red sign. remove documents. So once you click on it, it will remove all of those documents. Then you will need to start afresh. You will start re-uploading the necessary documents, and then you now upload the correct document that was needed of you to upload, the one you were queried for. You upload it. Make sure we provide the needed NIN for them so that our work can leave the query stage and move to the next one, which is pending, and from pending to approve. Now let's go again. So you need to remove those documents, then you start over again from this place. Pick the name, pick the new file that you want to add, pick the passport, add the passport, add up the signature, and then you click on add proper documents. Then it has been added. I've used another document. Then you click on save and continue. Then you click on submit application. Give it time to load up. It's has shown successful, but once you come here, it will still be showing queried because you had not clicked mark as resolved. So you click on mark as resolved for you to know it has been solved. And if it still bring it again, you still need to go and change that particular ID that you are imputing there. It is as simple as that. So right now what we need to do is to start uploading our new documents. You come to this place, click on that and pick the name. Then the next one is for you to upload NIN card. Then the next one is the passports. Let's go straight to pick a passport. Here is the passport, and then our signature. Next is the signature. Once you upload that, you click on add proprietary documents and it will bring it out. You can see everything shows 100% clear, and then you click save and continue. Then you submit for approval. So now we have provide an answer to the query that this our registration was queried for. So give it time to load. My network is fluctuating from this end. Once it's finished loading, we will go back to our query spot and click on mark as. So now we are back to this spot. You look for it, ease it down at this last lap. Wow, you can see as I just submitted that, now the certificate was approved at once. So you can see it has showed approved. You can see it. This was the business registration that we did together. So now this is it. So if you do your registration without any kind of complaint, you submit the right documents, your certificates will be out on time. You can see it has already showed approved. So now I am going to click on this place to download my client certificate and send it to her. Then we go for processing of the thing for the business. So here we are. Thank you for staying till the session of this course. I really appreciate you. If you find value in this, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, subscribe to the channel, like the video, on your notification bell so that you will get notified each time I drop new videos. Right now, in this next video, I will be explaining how you can download your certificate and your status report into your phone. So click on it to get to watch it. Let's go there.